Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class we saw the main form. In this class I am going to teach how to create the course and batch form. Right now let's close the project. Now here what I am going to do is here, go to the package student management, right click, new, JFrame form. Here we have to create a first one is a course. Right, this frame course, finish. Right, now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go to the palette, get one panel, drag on the frame like this. Here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create the I'm going to go to the palette, drag two text boxes, labels, two labels. This one should be batch name, this one should be year. So right click, edit text, this one should be batch name, this one should be year. Simply you have to write a year. Right, simply here. Right, select as a year. Right, let's increase the size of the font. Right click, properties, font, this one defaulted to 11. You have to increase as a 14th. Fine, this one also 14. Right click, this one should be 14. Click OK. Right, now here what I'm going to do is I need two text boxes. Go to the palette, drag two text boxes, text fields here. Right, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is here select on the text field, right click, edit text, remove the edit text from this one, second edit text, remove this one, select on this text field, right click, change variable. We have to give this one as a txt badge. This one we have to change it as select the text box, right click, change variable txt year. Right, perfect. Now we need one button. We need two buttons. Drag two buttons. Right, this one right click, edit text, this one should be add, this one should be cancel. Right click, cancel. Right, now here what I'm going to do is here this one, select this button, right click, event, action perform. Here the button I'm going to write the insert code. If I write the batch name and year, click add button, record add that into the database table. So go to the database. Here this is the database name is student management system. Here you have to able to create the columns. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to how many columns we need? Only 3 columns. Here we have to write this one as a batch. This one should be batch. Right, click go. First one should be id I am going to give as a auto increment part. This one should be primary with auto increment. This one should be batch name, batch, you have to write as batch name, varchar. Right, this one should be year. Okay, you have to give a int 11 characters. Click save. Right, databases table has been created successfully. Table name is batch. Right, now here after that what I'm going to do is here go to the add event, action perform. Here first I'm going to create two variables. This one should be batch name equal txt batch. Batch, that's a text box name dot getText. After that year, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one we have to change it as year. right here you have to write as this one txt here, right. After that what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go to the this one new user page. We have to go and copy the connection, this one, these two connection we have to copy, Control C to copy, class for name and driver, these two things we have to copy and we have to paste it here, and again back to the user.java new user.java page and copy this one also, connection this one also we also need that, we have to paste it above, or paste it here as well, right, click OK, right. After that what I'm going to do is, first what I'm going to do is this one, I'm going to click on this one and we have to surrounded try catch this one. After that we have to Control X to cut off this line, we have to paste it here also, here also it is add the catch, this one it is added. Now error go away. Here I just copy and paste it, it is automatically created the connection import connection namespaces. Okay, I just here copy and paste it. Okay, if it is not if it is show the error, only you have to right click and add the namespace. Okay, it's automatically created. I just copy and paste it here, right. This is how we have to do the stuff. After that what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the insert code. I've already written the insert code here as well. We no need to write again by again, it take too much time to complete the project. If once you wrote, you have to reuse it other forms. One form you have to write, other form you have to reuse it. Okay, that's this one. I have to copy this one, insert code. All the spots you have to copy, Control C to copy. After the get connection, you have to copy all the stuff. Have to paste it here, Control V to paste. Click OK. Here we have to change the one. This one, what is the things? Here insert query. First we have to write the insert into which table you are going to insert the record. You are insert the record into which table? Batch table. Batch. Which table? Batch table. Batch is the table you are going to insert the record. What are the fields available? You have to check batch name and year. So here you write batch name year, right. Batch name comma year. This sorry for only two columns only. Okay. First one should be auto incremented. No need to add here. Okay, batch name and there will be two columns here. Okay, the first one should be auto incremented, it's automatically incremented. Okay, no need to create the columns. This one we needed, and here how many question mark we have to enter here? Only two records we are going to add it, so we have to remove one, right. After that we have to this three things we know needed, only two data we are going to add it. But what is the user write on the this text box? And this text box, it is assigned to these variables. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one Control V to C to copy, Control V to paste here. These two things go to this question mark. What the user insert the write on these text boxes, it is coming here, it's going to the question mark here. But the question mark you are setting here, go here, and it is pasted into this relevant, it is added into this relevant columns. Okay, that's how the record is added if you call this function, right. That's the only thing you have to write. After that, after added, this one should be text box name should be clear. So here the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. First one, second one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one no needed, this one no needed. After added, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. It requires focus, right. That's the stuff you have to do, right. Very simple. Here this is one not a user creation, this one is a what is a you have to batch created, right. That's the stuff you have to do. Now here go to here customize, here we have to write this one as a batch. This one should be, we have to change the name. I have put course, we have, I am going to see this one as a batch. I have to do this one batch. So we have to this page I have to change this one as a right click and refactor, rename you rename it, this one, sorry, right click, you have to write as a refactor, rename. This one we have to rename, course we rename it as a batch. I mistakenly I have added here, right? So you have to click refactor. This is how you can rename the page, right? Simple. Now this one should be the batch page, right? Simple, right? Now here, go here, customize. We have to set this one as a it's automatically set. If it is not set up, if you test this one, batch, you have to add here batch. Click OK. Now you go, you have to, when the page is loaded, it's come at the center. So select the one, select the frame, right click, properties, code. Here where's the generate set, sorry, this is panel, I selected, right click, right frame, code, generate center, right. Now here, right, now here I'm going to add the batch name. I'm going to add the batch name is GY001. Here you have to add this year 2019, right. Now click add button, batch created. So if you click OK, here data should be clear, right, batch created, right. Now if you click cancel button, this form should be cancelled, so you have to write it that thing also well. So right, select this button, right click here, event, action performed. This one you have to write this one as a this dot close, this dot, this one here should be hide, this height, right, this one should be height, right. That's the thing we have to write. Okay, now here if you click this one will be closed, right. Now this one should be perfect. Now we have to add another page which is a course page. Here simply what I am going to do is here create the course page, the same page I am going to reuse it. So select the batch page, right click, copy, select the package, right click, paste, refactor, copy. Here it asks the name of the frame. I am going to give as this one as a course, right. Simply you have to reuse the page in Java. Simply you have to reuse, here it is reuse, right, the same page it's coming here. Now you have to change the stuff, but this name is different. Okay, this name is different. Here this is a page, it's a batch, this is a course, right. Now you have to here we have to change the stuff. The first one should be, we have to change this one as a name, course name. So we have to change edit text, we have to write as course name. This one should be duration, right, duration, right, only. Okay, that's the thing we have to write. Now here this decrease the text box like this, and here size like this. We have to add another one combo box here next to the text field, which need for the week and month, duration 1 month or 1 week, like that. So we need one combo box. Simply we have to select, drag this one. So this one what I am going to do is right click, properties, model. You have to select this one, we have to remove the item. Instead of that we have to write as two things, week, this is a month, right, here course, right, you have to put this stuff, week, month, year, right. If the course is course duration, if some course end with 1 week, if some course might be finish with 1 year, might with 1 month, so that you have to select this one, options. Okay, you have options, you can select, right. The same thing I'm going to go to the database, I'm going to select the student management database, you have to create the columns. We need 4 columns for course. This one for course. Click go. First one should be auto incremented 11, auto incremented with primary. This one should be course name varchar. This one should be duration int. This one should be option we select as varchar. Option mean week or year or week month, right? That's the option, right? Click save. So here what's the option? Alright, you have to there is a predefined keyword of MySQL, so you have to put additional and then it's okay, it will be okay. Click OK. Right, option should be the predefined function or something else, so that it show the error. You just put option in, right? That's it. After that, what I'm going to do is here, back to NetBeans, we have to write the code. So we already written the code. This I the same page I copied from the batch. So you have to reuse. You will be reuse. No need to do anything else. We have to change the insert query only. Other stuff are same. You have to change the insert query only. So how to change it? See here is insert into course. This one should be course name. Second one should be duration. What's the name of this one? Table duration. This one duration. Control C copy, Control V to paste here. Very simple. Third one should be option. So option. If you have any mistake and spelling mistakes, what you written here, same thing you have to copy and paste into the code. Then you will leave the spelling mistakes. Okay. Now here you have to add 3 question mark, and here we have to set this one as a we have to change the text box as well. Right click, change variable. This is not a badge. You have to change instead of a badge, you have to change it as a course. Click OK. This one also change it as a txt duration. Right. This one should be right click, change variable, txt option. Right. That's the only thing we have to do. Right. That's the only thing we have to do. Here the only thing we have to do is, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go to the right click, action perform. Here this one automatically change when you are changed here. So here I need another one thing you have to add. This here is option string. You have to create the option, course option, course, something like that, option. Right. Duration option, we select as duration option. Right. Here this one change it as a duration. Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste here. Same thing you have to put here. Right. Now these are the variables. Now this one course option is not a get text. This is a dot get selected item. Get selected. Sorry, not text duration. This one should be, I wrote it text. What is the thing I wrote here is txt options. Control C to copy the same thing, put it dot get selected item dot toString. Right. That's the thing you have to write. The same thing you have to call it here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. We need another one more, that is for duration option, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be 3, right? Perfect. Only thing, it's a perfect. Now here the another one we have to clear duration. We have to clear another thing is this one, text option. We have to clear this one as a set selected index 01. That's it. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right, perfect. This one should be course created. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. This one should be, we have to test as a which page I'm going to test. First we have to set each and every page. After that we can give the link to the main page. Okay, first you have to set. This is how you can do the project. It is very simple. Okay, if you give the link and do the project, it will take too much of time to complete. So that if you now you are going to test it course page, right? Only this page only you have to check. After all the pages have worked fine, you have to link it, right? Now here I'm going to do the things. This one should be database, no, duration. This one should be right. Let's do the task. This one should be course name. We have to write this Java, duration 6 month, click add, course created, click OK. Right, perfect. Another one is I'm going to create a C#, 3 months, course duration 3 month, click add. I'm going to another course. I'm going to get a BSc honors. This one should be 3 years duration. 3-year duration. Click it. Course created. Right. Now go here. You will be able to see the course. Click on the course table. Here these are the courses available. These are the duration. This is a month. You will be easily identified here. This is how you have to create the course. Right. Now we will be write the code. This cancel button, I already written the code here because I copied the page from the batch java.java. Okay, very simply we have to complete the project. I hope you guys understood so far. In my next tutorial I am going to teach the student registration part. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.